Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start eBay dropshipping from Walmart. So I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, and most of the time I use Walmart if I don't find a product on the supplier that I am using, which is AliExpress, because literally you can find on AliExpress the cheapest items. The reason why I use AliExpress is because of the profit margin. But if you want something that is easy, simple, and you can easily find winning products, I believe Walmart is the best for this. Okay, I have tried it. I have sold many items from Walmart to eBay, and it works, but the profit margin is not like AliExpress. So like I said, that's why I use Walmart. That's why I use AliExpress. I'm sorry. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to deal with returns, what you need to do to find a winning product, and how you can start listing. Now this is very easy and quick. You just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to start your dropshipping business right now. Now the best advice I can give you guys is to start and don't even waste your time. You don't have to know all the answers to start. Like, you can just start. When I first started doing eBay dropshipping, I just knew how to list an item from AliExpress to eBay. That's all. And after I got a sale, I didn't know how to ship the product. So I searched on YouTube how to ship the product, and then I started to learn how to ship. And after someone opened the dispute, and then I started how to deal with dispute with that's it. That's how you learn. You don't have to learn every single thing to get started, because that's not how it works. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, to find a winning product is you want to search for any product on Walmart. The reason why you do this is to find competitors on eBay. Okay, you want to search for anything. It could be a gaming desk, it could be laptops, it could be phones, it could be keys, like iPhone keys, if it could be anything. Okay, now I'm going to search for example, gaming desks. Okay, so this is what I like to sell most of the time. Now you want to find any product. Okay, the reason why I told you guys to find any product is we want to find people who are selling this product on eBay, because even if it has a lot of sales on Walmart, doesn't matter, because we want to see if this product is working, has sales on eBay, not Walmart. Okay, now I'm going to find, for example, Okay, now I'm going to find any product. For example, I'm just going to find I'm going to click on this one. For example, it has like this product is selling, but only on Walmart. Even if I can just list this because it works on Walmart, I have to know if other sellers on eBay are selling the same item or not. Okay, this is what you need to do, guys. You want to search for this item. By the way, this is the only thing that takes a little bit of time, so just be patient, guys, and find a winning product. It may take you 2 hours to find 3 winning products, which is worth your time, because these 3 winning products will keep getting sales over time. Okay, you want to just copy this title. As you can see, go to eBay, search for competitors. Now you want to find people who are selling this product. Let me see. As you can see, this one looks, it's not the same. This one, let me check. Yes, this is the exact same product. As you can see, it's called Loco. Okay, this is the exact product, but it doesn't have any sales. Okay, so this guy who listed this item is not successful, so we shouldn't even waste your time copying this guy, because what happens if this person, for example, has 3 sales? I am going to copy the title of eBay seller, and everything else I am going to get it from Walmart, including the pictures, description, everything. Because the reason why I copy the title of eBay seller, that's if it has 3 sales. This person doesn't have 3 sales, so I'm not going to copy his title, because this title is proven to work on eBay. Okay, now I'm going to search for this exact product again. We want to find people who are selling this exact product again. Okay, now this is not a complicated thing, guys. It's very easy and simple. Let me check if this person is this. Okay, this one. Yes, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same product, the same desk. Yes, it's the same. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, now is you want to start. Okay, wait. Yes, it's the same. Now, as you can see, this guy has 4 sales. Okay, this is the only thing that is hard. We want to find people who are selling this item on eBay. Now, after you find someone who is selling this and he has a successful listing, which is 4 sales, I always go with 3 sales. Anything more than 3 sales, I list the item. Keep in mind, if you start this and you get like you started to feel like, okay, this is hard, just keep searching. Over time, this will be easy for you to find winning products. Okay, just give it 10 days, give it 5 days. Okay, just think about it. Like it's not going to take you forever to learn this, so that you can find winning products easily for like quickly. Now, you want to list this item. How you can do that? It's very easy. What you need to do, guys, you just wanna download the pictures from Walmart. Okay, start download pictures, save as, and then save it anywhere you want. And after you download, guys, the pictures, you wanna start selling. You wanna click on sell in the top right. Okay, and then you wanna copy the title of eBay seller. Okay, that's it. Of eBay seller, not Walmart seller. That's the only thing, guys, you need to do, is to find competitors and copy their titles, because they are proven to work. As you can see, 4 sales. The only thing you copy is the title. Everything else, get it from Walmart, including the description. This is the description. Make sure if it has something that says here Walmart or anything like that, delete it. Okay, just in case. Okay, click new and then continue selling. I don't want to continue with Google. So you already know, guys, how to list. If you don't know how to list, just search on Google how to list from Walmart to eBay, and you will find a lot of videos. It's very easy, guys. By the way, you just wanna list it normally and add the shipping and select United States. That's it. It's not something that is complicated. Okay, now what you are going to do if it returns, if someone opens a keys against you, trust me, 99% of the time it doesn't even happen. Okay, just don't even waste your time and start, guys. If it happened, just refund the buyer or give them like half of the price. Okay, most buyers, they accept that. On eBay, you will have an option to send, for example, if someone opens a keys, they don't like the product, you can offer them 50% of the item value, and then they are going to accept it and go to Walmart and try to get your refund there. If you can't get your refund, it doesn't matter, guys, because it doesn't happen all the time. Something will pay for it. If you sell another item that day, it will pay for the loss of the item. So it's not something that will always happen, and you can always, like, of course you can return this. It's not that complicated, but it doesn't happen. Like, I have done $60,000 in sales. I have never done this. Okay, it doesn't happen. You should just start, guys, and start your business, and hopefully this video will help you. And if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.